In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and link a bank account in the Robinhood app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to choose the verification method that works best for you. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging in. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual so you're fully signed in. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This brings up your account area where you can manage settings and funding. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. In this menu, select Transfers. This is the hub for deposits, withdrawals, and your linked bank accounts. Scroll down until you see Linked Accounts. Here, you'll find any bank currently connected to your Robinhood account. If you want to remove a bank, tap the bank you want to unlink, choose Unlink, and confirm. Keep in mind that unlinking won't move any existing funds in your brokerage, but it can affect pending transfers, so it's a good idea to make sure nothing is in progress. If you plan to continue transferring money, have another bank ready to add. To add a new bank, tap Add Account and then choose Bank Account. You'll now pick how you want to connect. If you choose Plaid, Robinhood will securely connect to your bank automatically. You'll log in with your bank credentials through a protected window, and you may be asked to confirm a code or approve a prompt with your bank. This method is usually the fastest and links your account almost instantly. If you prefer to enter details yourself, select the manual option by continuing as a guest. Type in your routing number and account number, then choose whether it's a checking or savings account. Double-check these numbers to avoid errors. Manual linking may require verification steps such as confirming small test deposits, and it can take longer to complete. That's normal. Just follow the instructions the app provides. Continue through the prompts to finish setup. If you see any verification screens, complete them carefully, making sure the name on the bank account matches your Robinhood profile to prevent delays. When everything is done, your new bank will appear under linked accounts, ready for deposits and withdrawals. At this point, you can initiate a small test transfer if you want to confirm everything works as expected. If something doesn't look right, revisit Transfers and Linked Accounts to review your connection details, or contact support within the app for help. That's it, you've successfully removed an old bank and linked a new one in Robinhood quickly and securely.